Selling on Amazon versus selling at Walmart. I really don't like either of the platforms. If you can sell on your own marketplace, sell on your own website, but there is a massive customer base both on Amazon and on Walmart, so they're almost necessary evils. Some of the benefits of each, as well as the negatives, are Amazon has the largest customer base. The customers will buy on Amazon just because of the trust factor. The truth is they're not buying from you. They are Amazon's customers. They're not your customers. Hopefully over time, your brand is strong enough to win over their hearts and minds. One of our clients is paw.com. They have a really strong brand, so when somebody buys one of their dog blankets on Amazon, they remember Paw, and they will eventually go to their website, paw.com, and make their purchases there. So you just have to have something really memorable, make a really quality product so that when you do sell on these marketplaces like Amazon or Walmart, that you're actually making an impression on the customer. Otherwise, you're always going to be reliant on these high fee marketplaces that have control of the customers. Some of the benefits of each. Walmart's interesting because there is less competition there and you can rank your listing higher, but they also don't have tight controls on the listings. So like Amazon will get your brand, get your listing, and you can basically prevent competition if you own your trademarks and your IP. Walmart, you cannot. So somebody can come in and sell a fake version of your product, and Walmart doesn't have a good way to guard you against that. And you have to go through a lot of due diligence with Walmart to prove that somebody's selling a counterfeit on your listing. It's a much more comprehensive process, whereas Amazon, if you actually do have your trademarks, your IP structured in their brand registry, then you can easily protect your listing and gate it against counterfeits. So that's one of the cons, because you can build up a Walmart listing really high and start selling a bunch, and then a bunch of people list their products against you, and you've just lost your rank, your sales, everything. Whereas on Amazon, if you do put that same equivalent energy in and effort, then your listing can really rank up high and you control your listing until competition comes to the market with a better product than yours. As a new seller, it is very difficult to get into both of these markets. You are going to have a hard time getting your products to rank up. You have to have something very unique, have to have a strong brand, and you have to spend a lot of money. On either platform, advertising is how you get your products to rank up. Either that's on-platform advertising, or you're doing some off-platform advertising and then pushing that traffic to the listings to rank them up organically to where then Amazon's customer base or Walmart's customer base will actually start to find you through search inquiries. So at the end of the day, is one of them better than the other? No. Hey, you need to be on both of them. They're different customer bases. You just have to go into them with the right lens, that you need to find a way to not be reliant on these markets. You can get those listings to rank up on both, and Amazon gives you a little more control, but will cost you more to get it to rank up. Walmart gives you less control, but will also cost less to get that listing to rank up. If you had to start with one, Amazon still is the king because they have the largest customer base, so start there. And then soon after that, launch Walmart, right? And get Walmart to be a part of your revenue streams, right? And eventually you want to launch on all these alternative marketplaces. eBay. eBay is undervalued. You can still do well there. There's advertising opportunities there as well. It will never be as large of a market share as your Amazon or your Walmart, but every little bit counts. So that's really important. If you need help with any of these marketplaces, anything Amazon, Walmart, eBay, or e-commerce, feel free to leave a comment.